Friday, August 4th. I got some restocks in and some new magnetic shawl pins. So I just wanted to show you that. We had sold out of the crochet know-how book. This is a great book, lots of drawings and explanations for the new or the experienced crocheter as a reminder. So this is great. It's an awesome book. It is $16.99 each. And this is the knitting know-how book, same situation. Lots of drawings and explanations of what are in your knitting instructions. So the knitting know-how and the crochet know-how, awesome, both of them. Then you know the shawl pins I have, and every once in a while I'll show you some new ones that I get in. So I told my supplier, I was like, I don't have any butterflies. I'm out of butterflies. So he sent me butterflies. So I'm going to show you, I have 6. I have 3 at $27.95 and 3 at $30. So this one is lovely. It's got the kind of mint colored wings and body. This one's $27.95. I like this one. This is enameled. So it's my favorite ochre color, and then the brown with the turquoise body, and these are garnets, red, little rhinestones there. So those are pretty, $27.95. And the last one is this beautiful orchid color, kind of a coppery metal, very pretty. Oh, and it has a little dingy, so it's all good. Love it. All right, so that's that one. Then these are a little more elaborate. These are $30. Love this guy. So it's yellow and that beautiful amber, turquoise, magenta, and black. Like it. $30. Remember, they have a magnet on the back. You can wear them on a lapel or hold a shawl together. They're really great. This one I love. It's got all kinds of colors. Greens, blacks, turquoise, magenta, a little bit of red, yellow body, big wings. And last but not least, this is more of a neutral, really pretty, like marcasite and black with a marcasite body. Very pretty. I like it. It'll perk up and dress up any shawl that you have, or, you know, have a black suit, put it on the lapel. Amazing. So good. People are signing up again. I'm so excited. So I'm still only have 4 spaces left for the color retreat. That's on August 13th. So it is 1 week from this coming Sunday. Don't miss it. It's $250. However, you get a goodie bag that is full of delicious stuff. And with your purchase of $250, you get a full card, which is like me handing you $25, right? And then you will have some sort of meditative or yoga stretching. Then you will have a shoulder massage, and we'll have mimosas and donut holes, and then you will learn all about the art of color from my 2 dear friends who are artists and teachers. They have organized a very fun day. So you'll have lunch. It's a full day from 10 to 4. You will be totally pampered and enlightened, and you'll have lots of fun. So go to the website, sign up for that. It's called the Art of Color Retreat on August 13th. All right, I think that's it for tonight. I will see you tomorrow.